Hello everyone. Today we will be seeing that how to download Java JDK plus how to install it as well as how to set up the environment variable for Java. So before installing the Java, I will just show you my command prompt. And when we try to write Java command here, so it will say that Java is not recognized as internal or external command. So what we have to do, we have to download the Java JDK. So we will download Java JDK version 17. Currently 90 is the latest version, but I am using Java 17. So download Java JDK 17. Simply you can just use the first link, open it, and for Windows you have to just go down. Here two option is there. First Windows installer is there and Windows archived is there. So we will use Windows installer. Just click here and it will start download. Now we need to wait. Just download should be completed. And we have more options here. We have for macOS, then Linux. Different options are available here. You can see that with different versions. Okay, so our JDK is download. We will go to download. Right, and here you can see JDK. So double click to install. Next. Okay, it's preparing for install. We have to wait. The next. Then it will show the path where you are going to install the Java. So this is the part. C program files Java. Let's start it. It will take some time. So we need to wait. Okay, you can see that our Java is installed successfully. Okay, so we will again go to command prompt and now we will try to run Java. But still we are not able to run it because we need to set up the environment variable. For environment variable, just open search box and search environment variable. Okay, so you will get the option that edit environment variable. Just double click it and it will pop up. Okay, so here you can see the option of environment variable. But before that we need path. So where we have installed the Java. So go to your PC, go to your C drive, in program files, you will get the Java folder is there. Okay, so this is our Java JDK 17 installed. So now we have to go on environment variable. Okay, now we have to go on path, then edit. Okay, here path is there, then we need to edit. So you can see already few path will be there. Now what we have to do, we have to open this JDK and open this bin folder and we have to copy the path till bin folder and just copy it and go here new and just paste it. Okay, and your new path is added. As well as we have to do one thing, we have to set up the Java home variable also. So what we do, we will go one step back in Java JDK 17 folder and just copy it. Now go here, create new and just name is as Java home. Name should be same and just paste the path here. Okay, then apply the changes and we are ready to go. Just I'm closing the command prompt and I'm just opening cmd. Okay, now we can check java dash dash version. Now it's showing the java 17 version that we have installed just now. Okay, now when we are typing java, it's giving all the suggestions. So thank you so much for watching the videos. Now you can install the java and you can run the different commands on command prompt. That's it.